In this example, I'm going to take a look at importing Excel-based financial statements for a company. So we've got the client number 2, and you'll see that this is actually a very simple profit and loss and balance sheet. I've got blue widgets, interest, purchases. We've got a little bit of indirect costs. We've got our net profits for the 2 years. And you'll find that the net profits for the 2 years are reflecting in the current earnings. And obviously for the second year, the 2020, we've got the carry forward earnings from that year coming forward here as retained earnings. And then everything's balancing out through the bank accounts. So that's the assumption here, right? And you can see here, it's probably worth noting that in some cases, absolutely no need to even enter values for line items if you don't need to put anything in. So quite a few of these sectors, I didn't even bother to put anything in. We're just simply keeping it nice and simple, right? So I have called these financials import company XLSX. So that's the name of the file and the file extension. So you just need to make sure that you've saved that, right? Save. Back over to Logit, client number 2, over to financials. Okay, and we will do the import from Excel. So choose the file. We only need that one file, right? And I'll just import open and upload. So how easy is that? We've got our profit and loss, and we've got our balance sheet, and you can see the exact values carrying over. So that's an easy example for a company. We'll head over to the Accounts tab and just check the classification. So Logit made a mistake there. CBA is actually bank account. I should spell better. Liabilities, GST is right. Current earnings, you can see the lightning strike. So classified correctly, classified correctly, classified correctly. It all looks right. Yep. Okay, so all our classifications are right, and then you can go to work with your forms, your working papers, and your custom reports.